ubutegetsi bwa Ruhanga ati buri mu kera karubi ati buri mu bayemo buri mu constitution.
It is good gusitamara umukazi mukaganira ukafuna ideas. It is very right.
Shemperere kuramewa.
Yabare mnonga iwohurikize kandi uri kutureba buzima turakikundira eco. Yabare gumiza mu kikore kandi ukasharinga na munywani wawe nawe aguma uhurikiza obuntu nko turamanya ngo umwe buranyiza umwe burateganitse imitima yanyu umwe bugumire mwene kugambaho na mwene eki tujja kugambaho kirateganisa bingi kigumira igambaho akuba bingi tucehugize twakireka cyaba kari cyakora kigambo ugira buwanyiza ejo twenda kugamba ahanjwara yo kristayo. Of course kwagamba ari yecho urabora mangu tuliza kugamba aha bakazi kujwara empari. And now we want to know because ubwiro bwinji kutugume turakigambaho oshanga binji bako attackinga bari kugezaho kukijustifying kugezaho kujya munananka kora zijwara ati eze turajwara tizabojo zabashija all that trying to find all ways to justify whatever they are doing. So twija kureba habwenki kira tugumira nk'abakristayo okutomutima harigebi ebiri kushemeza Ruhanga aza tukenda kugumizamo no kujustifying ebiri kushemeza. Webare ndi ekido mugisha kandi namutahi wanje
nyowe ndi abaina Ruhanga Paulo twesije owizina paragraph yone.
We paragraph Mr. Paragraph gambire ahabwenki eshongeze zigumire. Okay, kizigumire by the way. Kizigumire konka abo kugira ngo binje bakabikunda babinywana then babona na justification zinche babigumire mu babikunda then eventually babikora so hard anybody to tackle them. Kirabanguhira kujwara empare kuzisibamo ninga kuzabona ene function konka church bakwereka ngo tibaragenda yo nazo and eventually you wonder and even naba bazitwira church uriyare. I want to know
obugomi tukugira ngo nubabikora buje ngo twakubimanya ikintu cyaba kiri kibi ukakikora utakimanyiri ubwo nuba utakakorofayingire kubo bugomi konka okukimanya ukagumiza mu ukakikora ubwo no bugomi. Kuturi kugamba hanjwara timyenda yonka konkana nobwe kuba wige nenjwara nobyo kubebyara n'ekijwara
na makeup ndahura barya ngo tuwe ya makeup.
Yes, ebi byona nebijwara and makeup mbiburi outuri kore mu abandize gukora makeup akari Jezebel. Biburi ne mutugambira nuwe ariko banza kurebuka ariko ekoraho makeup kugira ngo painting herself to entice ijehu nuwabere naije kurwana nawe kumurwanisa so yesiga makeup yagumana ringurizo mudirisa to attract him. Ekigenderwa cha makeup no mbiburi kiri umuti kirungi kandi Jezebel wowe nkamuka Ahabu ombiburi namanywa nko muzimu Yesu namugambira Yohana mu kushururwa atabinji bahurikize omuzimu gwa Jezebel yahabisa bana bibanje baruga kwereza Ruhanga bahereza stade so na makeup yo nko kujwara n'ikintu kibi hariho umukazi w'umujonkare nahereza history no shota no munasi yagira ngo makeup butosha bakaba bagikora hamirambo ati tindu kumanya uko yizere kujwarwa bahuriri abo kubemirambo niwe basiga makeup ninje yaba ngo gutaba guto for whatever reasons. So enjwara yona etaru kwikirizwa mu Bible egwire makeup te kwikirizwa abakazi kujwara by'abashije tikiri kwikirizwa abantu bahura n'abajya ngo no bagizire ngo empare nazabashije kiri mu Bible kiri mu kuruga eshura ya 28 umushororo ngo gwana nagumo Christiana n'ishatu.
That is Exodus.
Yes, okuruga na Exodus 28 ananemwe kwikana n'ishatu. Ruhanga kagambira Musa ngo akorera abana ba Arona barkwereza harutari empare yagira kandi kinekiragiro ebiro byona kizanitano commandment every man who stands before God or who stands wherever he stands in the community must be putting on trousers, not women. Omukutandika abantu ko bahereze kushisha Ruhanga yari kubabinga umutwara cyahide nubona yabajweka empuze nyamisho tunics narishe kanzu okorga hibega kwika ango omushija n'umukazi ezinempu konkato omukuruga barukurugo muri Misiri bakaba bamanyere kujwara emyenda, they were dressing in linen and purple ejeyona no cotton n'emyenda eri soft. Omushija yabajwire kanzu yonka atine mpare nabana shana nojwire busha nono muringura, but that's a dress for women.
Orakareba kali waho.
And yes, and when a woman is putting on a dress narishe kanzu toruko muringura abo kubana ko hanje rwaje, and omukazi kwara ko bajwire mpare mboka ntwa kujwara nkezo tukujwara nubatekwa kujwara is tight is sexual ahabo kuba they advertising themselves sexually. Nyoru kunkoreba omukazi ojwira atyo ni nkugahira kimwe munonga, don't mind nyoti ngufa yabo ryo mwahure yabo pastor yabo minister yabo ryota nakoro ojwira otyo ni nkugahira kimwe kwa nini ndeba no promoting narno ye presenting sexually rather than your character, rather than you as a human being. You are presenting yourself sexually. Animals don't do that. If a chicken cannot do that, you a human being, why do you do that? I went to know you garahi darariansa and hariya inda estobe twagamba hari yo mbaroma ishora ikumye rugwa gashatungureka ko teka ho kuciro kori okugaruka higuru na rugarra hansi no basa ko teka ko kuciro kori uru kugaruka hansi oyirebe ngo rumbe wotajwire mpari. Another point in the case is that what I discovered, I'm a social worker, what I discovered is that abakazi binji burijo abakazi nebetenga bashija as an commandment shinari neci fubiro cyo Ruhanga yahira abakazi atoryagumo yetenge baro hazana barya kutegeka hatu wareba nka sports women abinji mbono nebache nka 2% bokushanga bine female names nushanga bona bine male names kugira ngo nergishe nari neryo kuno wako bayinergishe konka inerye rigwa muhirere female, they don't use their names, they always want to be like men. So ukoro kurugaho mukuruga abantu batanje kujwara emyenda okija Ruhanga nko gambira musangwa abashija abajwe kempari atagira umushije wemera mu congregation atine empari hato chikomo omucheberagiro which is Deuteronomy 22:5 ujya ngo hatari jiro mukazi wajwara nko mushija narisho mushije wajwara nko mukazi ahabwa cyabo kuba ebijwaro byabo byabiro omukazi jwaroti omushija na wajwaroti omundaganesi Paulo nagira ngo mukazi wena orukweye tomukurasi wa Kristo asheme kujwara bimushemerire ya John 1 Timothy chapter 2 verse 9 ajware bimushemerire ebimushemerire bitari bitamushemerire kukire cyabire kiringwa kireke kuba body showing.
And when society yagira ngo bikushemerire nebi iwo ogira ngo ingaha hati ebikushemeriro yenda kubyesetingira, but in actual sense you are not comfortable in like omubanta baliroko abori kweta baliroko, you are not comfortable
when when you travel with a woman for a whole day ajwire mparejo yimuka yakora bahatana nanuka. I have noticed it several times ahabwo kuba hite yari kugeneratinga amunda yemparejo you don't know you smell but no nuka seriously novuga kwetera amajuta cyo novuga kwetera perfume ki reka nkigambe nko kukiri abo ko nemanya twabigamba tutandika ngo nubuza ko babibi numuza kubyanga numuza kututonganiza, but wena ukora kusibo muri yejo mpare ya jeans kuzuru kuza kwikasha mwenda shahazinga hitero kubera generated there noza kushesha noza kujurota ecu nuko cyo kuba nchikurugoma yasha toru kuchimanya. But I have faced it several times or mbasi achimuka nakora bahatana aza kushohora na nukira kimwe serious ecu nuko cyujwanjire mu nkenkari. You need to know you are not supposed to dress like that.
Mwebere mnonga amazima go birasharira. Yes, hariho unagambire ati but nikunda zishwara but I don't go to church with them, but eventually namugira nti your body is more sacred than that building you call church. Your body is a temple of the Holy Spirit. So oreka kuteka ngo abuja ngo torazana jo nayo mu church ngo then aholije no wabo rareba ngo it is uncomfortable to go with it at church, then trust me, then it is wrong to be on your body. Then ababire comfortable to the point of going with it to church, amazima galingo, it communicates something different to us men who see you. It communicates differently. Okushanga ngumuntu uri kumureba map yo nanda bakazi we have to agree ngo mukakorwa mu ngeri eyo umuntu ari kureba akagira appetite. I don't think wale bo mushija you can easily be enticed with that appetite.
Now we Okujwaara we don't dress up sexually. We don't.
Abashija batandikire paro shoti arajwara kapare then ati munywani we yaguma yawo akozire
umusigi
akozire angola aguma henga miraro. It is very disturbing by the way for men out there. Like nugubiro murembe ndarejo arebe silipa ayejo arebe short ebishote biriho bimwe biri tight uko biba tight omunda ikintu kirambira kibero bato umuntu akireba urya uruganira n'abantu bakuru
kongo she eri kubimushikire nebetaroho
ziriho zare mwene
ekwishikire
Bible yatujya ngo bufa mutima kubuhingurana abafuka mutima batanga
umubagendana nago umukono
umubagendana nago umukono. So eventually ebyo bintu byikirizino omucyaci twabijwara omucyaci gatherings zo mu fellowships tubiriho tujire empire and all that is acceptable, but eventually we realize
omukazi orukumanya wabo jwire empire utampika rubajo agreed accept it iwo kitwaro mwikiriza agende niwe nyowota agenda nanye. In my car I never drive with a woman put on no bunkuvuga namuhando ineho ndijo nintwaro tajwire empire.
So eventually you realize that Okujwaara empare by now oshemereye kuba utashemerirwe kurikize bigambo nkebe they are piercing and iwe kira kuletera wakore kinte cyo tali kushua nikisa mukamestin saniki
kandi agumiza muna ibihangu no wishemu. There is a church I was in, worship team one day bakija bona bajwire empare. I went out because nkamangu ndiyo mu casino hall. This is not a church. Ndiyo mu casino hall ahabo kuba one of the reverends wo mukazi akabajwara empare ye agina tahokora. So nabagira nti ejikanisa nyotinjiru because oguturuhanga ogunustane no bari harutari ecuruhanga atakuciciriza Bible nengera ngo kigwiri. So this church I don't belong to.
And by the way Abatesalonika eshura ya 5 yo kubanza First Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 22 eragira ngo cone kiri kweshwaniriza ne kibi. Anything that looks like evil we should abstain from it. Okay, let's assume that empare kare timbi, but because it is contested, because it is biblical said, because the argument is there, and because wazijwara kwenyino bolinko jwire busha amabunu gazahe
nakutwara kujwara busha
nakuyekintu cyawe zaho
kozuru kuzako bashamwenda nabananuka. The trouser is wrong, is bad, it's not for you.
Map yekintu cyawe zaho ebintu byo mushijo byanika heru, and eventually you realize that it is not right for a Christian. Like naturally it is not right. Wajijwara you attract many men to sets or to ask for your number or whatever. You realize that it is not in right order. And
kana nabo maba kumweta tubakumweta uje ngo bamukunda bareba 16 yo barukwenda.
Of course
abashija itwe turigenya misho zitweke zemya ezizara turi nakurebo gitiraho nimba ningenda. So korko bojuyirotyo orya kanisa ojindetiri.
That's reality.
Kunda akushabe otagira ngo nagwa tunago iwo okagwa kare so nyonija kwenda abo kubeke kintu kwenda nakiro kindi.
That's reality. So eventually you find nahajiro wakushaba then you are there abashija ni batushaba pastor yanshaba
when wari kuba yabanza kumushaba
wako yanshaba. Eventually you are the tempter. By the way you Bible ni yarasugama ngo you are supposed to be tied orubengo mu bisya bakakunago mu mizi.
Yes.
Kugira ngo kurugayo tarugayo because you are tempting this soul. and eventually if somebody tells you empare yawe nempa bisi nenteze nsibwe nenkora ki, then what do? Ko mu kristayo tiyo mutima ahakorobere kigambo cya Ruhanga, utiyo mutima ahabyiguru, utiyo mutima abukama bwa Ruhanga. What do you have to do? Ndamwaza kunyiga kandi kumurabe mwete katekire kunyiga buzima munyige
cyo kunyiga tinchitinira abo kuba nyontwire nyigiri so hatu watandika hati tinyene nsho.
So this is for you, my sister, our mothers, our parents, our wives.
Nkaiza kureba omukazi mukura ajwire empare akija navuge motoka ajwire empare ya jean abahara babiri bajwire jeans omutabana na wabakoratira so kwena bataho mu restaurant nabuze omukazi orenyine ogumwe omusigazi nateka cyare bacu bunu cyanye na ryati omukazi yagira ati yaye kwatamisho nti you look at him akaba ari omusigazi njanka 16 15 hati yarebe cyo bunu cyanye na kiri kito mu jeans. What does he think?
I think no mulembe konka as Christians, let us not be consumed on mulembe.
We are not supposed to be conformed to the standards.
Yes.
If you want to conform to the standard, deka kwebe yango ry'umujono. Okujunwa tokurumu okushikirira toka kurebaga nukurura toka kururaga. You don't know anything. Abo kuba ryo mugomi orenje series. Kandi ebyo ryo nogomera mu byo kuteka ngo iwo ryo wo murembe. Oriyo no sisikarira kimwe, oriyo no yesisira kimwe, oriyo no cwekereza family yawe eyo kubiro ruho kombeka.
Iwo ryo ko turikize. This is not being against you. This is bringing the truth to your table. Kugira ngo kitekatekeho, kugira ngo orondo buryo bwena, ubu abasa kuvasinga with the word of God, ubu abasa kupleasinga Ruhanga, ureke kukuratire byo kukunde byo mutima gwawe guri kukunda, kutekateka like do not lean on your own understanding.
Abono basiba abantu abo. Na agenda siba nabasa kumara nesande asibe. Konka bwasibiri ebyo kwishirira takwenda kubikora. Atura jwire busha konka sibe. Yajura mwejo mpare yaja ngo yata muskati. Netewa ko beyine street. Natekwa ko amabere gari cleaved. Na emenwa na shese koko. I don't understand.
Thank you very much.
Why a Christian should do that?
We have a date. Twinibanje ryo kuba abo mutano na habenzi. As Christians, wale baturi kwigirira kushwana na benzi. Utakureba wenzi no mu Kristayo no mujunwa ukabone entaniso omundebeka. Just know that we are bad off and we have fallen short of our God's glory. Thank you very much. Munyiga mpora muhurikize no mutima gorobi. Do not harden your hearts. God bless you. Ubutegetsi bwa Ruhanga tiburi mu tera karubi tiburi mu bayemo tiburi mu constitution.
It is good gusitamara umukazi mukaganira ukafuna ideas. It is very right.
Shemerere kuramewa